What's up, guys? My name is Henry from GI Technology. Currently, we are inside Agona Swedru, specifically Agona Asafo, and we're here to fix this small pedestrian gate and then also this huge 18-feet gate. Okay, clients had some guys running to her property and parking some electrical items, so we are here to actually stop that. So let me show you the other gate. Let's go. Let me show you the other gate. Alright, so this is a 15-feet gate. So we have the main entrance gate and then the exit one here. Okay, they're going to be here for like some 5 hours, and trust me, these are beautiful gates. You'll be very excited to see the final work. Okay, so we are coming to undo this one. We are bringing everything down, and then we'll fix this one so that we will fix the pedestrian and then the main gate. If you have any gate projects for us, make sure you give us a call. We're in a crack master now. We are everywhere in Ghana. What's up, guys? My name is Henry from GI Technology. As you can see, we are done with our gate. Like I always tell you, you have 2 reasons why you have to fix very beautiful entrance gate. One for security, and then the next one is for beauty. Anybody that comes to your house, the first thing that they see is your gate. And anybody that want to have access to your house, the first thing they have to deal with is your gate. So your gate plays 2 major roles for security and beauty. That's why you have to make sure you get a good company to get you a very quality and clean gate like this. Very nice. So we're going to unwrap the gates and see how everything looks. Let's unwrap the pedestrian gate as well. All right, as you can see, very beautiful gate. You can see very clean and neat gate. We took our time to deliver very great and exceptional outcome for our clients. Client is very happy, and we are actually inside Agona Swedru, specifically Agona Asafo, and the clients picked this sample from the previous one that we did, and then she said, I want the same gate but different color. So as you can see, the previous one was actually blue. This is black, you know. And then the client is very excited. So like I always say, if you have any gate project, make sure you give us a call. We are in Accra, Kumasi, Tamale. We are everywhere. We deal for every budget and every timeline. So if you are putting up your building, just call us. We just come and check the dimensions. Once you are done, we'll put up a very great and very wonderful and neat gate, entrance gate for you. So call us now. Hi guys, so this is actually gate number 2 inside Agona Swedru. We're about to remove the rubber and everything, and then commission this one as well. So as you can see, very beautiful gates. We'll have to do some small cleanup on the gates, and everything will be fine. Yeah. Very clean, beautiful, and sliding gates inside Agona Swedru. This is top notch. We took our time to deliver exceptional outcome for the customer. Client is so excited. The first gate, and then this very gate. Guys, if you have any gate project, like I always tell you, make sure you give us a call. We're in Accra, Kumasi, Tamale. Now we are everywhere in Ghana. So Call us now.